Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So today is my collaboration with Vicky from Little Sparkle Nail Design, and for this week we have decided to create a set of nails inspired by something in our homes. So I have chosen my bedroom curtains. I will pop an image up on the screen now. I absolutely love these curtains. I actually made these curtains myself. I sort of went for a little stage of loving sewing, and I found this material on eBay and thought they'd look great as bedroom curtains. I absolutely love it. They're so colourful, so fun, and they're just perfect. And I've been wanting to see a set of nails inspired by them for a while now. And then, as well as the curtains, I am also doing some butterflies, because my bedroom, my living room, my kitchen, I've got all these like little blue, green and pink butterflies sort of scattered around the place, just here and there, on the ceilings, on the walls, just sort of all over the place. I love them. They're just fun and just adds a little something cute around the home. So those are two things that my set of nails are going to be inspired by today. So they're going to be very colourful, very bright and very in your face and wacky, but I love my colourful nails, as you all probably already know. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you go over and check out Vicky's video. I'm absolutely obsessed with her set of nails that she has done. They are absolutely stunning and beautiful, and yeah, I really love them. So make sure you go and check out her video. That'll be linked in the description box below. But other than that, I hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, much love everyone, and enjoy.